Hello friends, this video on probability part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, you should have watched video probability part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5. So this is one example where probability is used with permutation. So Ravi visits 4 cities A, B, C, D in a random order. What is the probability that he visits A just before B? So when I say A just before B, let me find total outcomes. So A, B, C, D he can visit in any order. He can, so that means it is similar to arranging A, B, C, D in a number of orders. So there are 4 letters, so we can arrange this into 4 permutation. So this is the total outcome. Now in case 1 I am saying A is just before B. So that means A and B are 1 unit and C and D are like any unit, other unit. So the number of ways I can arrange this, that's the way he will visit. Because if I arrange in this format, that means this guy will go in this format. If I arrange in A, B, D, C, that means this guy will go first A, B and then D, C. That's how it means. So if you see there are 1, 2 and 3 units. So total permutation is 3 permutation. That means if A is just before B, that means he can visit the town in 3 permutation ways. So probability of this case event is equal to 3 permutation by 4 permutation. In the second scenario, A is before B. Very simple actually. Either A will be before B or B will be before. And since all these events are equally probable, so probability of each of this event is 1 by 2. You can solve this question also if you want, but if you want to do in a simple way, either A will come first or B will come first. So for both of these the probability is 1 by 2. A first and B last. So when I say A first and B last, I have fixed this 2 point and this is variable now. C and D I can arrange in 2 permutation way because only there are 2 variable. So the probability in this case P of E will be 2 permutation by 4 permutation. 4 permutation is the total outcome. This guy is this guy. In the case 4, when I say A is either first or second. So first let me find A is first. So A is fixed, B, C, D. So this can be done 1, 2, 3. 3 permutation. A is second, A is fixed here, B, C, D. So again these 3 points are there, so which can be arranged in 3 permutation way. So total permutation is equal to P of A1 union A2 is equal to P of A1 plus P of A2 minus P of A intersection A1 intersection A2. So this is equal to P of A1 is equal to 3 permutation by 4 permutation, and this is also equal to 3 permutation by 4 permutation, and this is equal to 0 because there is no common. There is no common. They are mutually exclusive events. So this is equal to 2 into 3 permutation by 4 permutation. Answer. Let's solve a couple of more examples. Here the probability is with combination. We have to find the probability when we are drawing 7 cards. This time we are drawing 7 cards from 52 cards. So that is this is 52 cards. From here we are drawing 7 cards. The first is it should contain all kings. We know that they are at the max 4 kings. First let's us create total sample space, total outcome. So this will be equal to, from 52 card we are drawing 7. So this is the total outcome. Now in case 1 we are saying all king, that means all kings are selected, 4C4. Remaining 3 we are taking from 48. So 48 is equal to 52 minus 4 because we've already consumed 4 here. Actually this is the 4 we have consumed. So 48C, this is the probable event for all kings. To find the probability we will divide this by total events. This will become this. So for all kings the probability is 4C4 into 48C3 divided by 52C7. Similarly, when we say 3 king, so from 4 we take out 3 king. Now the other We don't want non-king. How many non-kings? 48, because there are 4 kings. Now from 48 we have to take out 4. So this is the favorable solution. Divide by total solution to get the probability. So this is the probability. 4C3 into 40 divided by 52C7. Now in third case it's saying at least 3 king. That means 3 king or 4 king. So we can just add these two. So this is, let's suppose, PA and this is PB. So we have to say is equal to PA plus PB. So we have to add these two. So when you add these two, you get 4C3 into 4C4 into 8C3 by 52C7 plus 4C3 into 48C4 is C4 by 52C7. Please note that this is 7, so this is 4 plus 3 is 7. This is 7, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Let's do one more last example. So in a race, there are 5 teams and anybody can win, equal probability. So what is the probability that first A, B and C are in the first, second and third position? First, let's find the total solution. So when you're saying A, B, C, D, E, who will become first, who will become second, this is similar to saying the number of ways we can arrange this. So we can arrange this into 5 permutation because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So total solution is 5 permutation. Now in case A, it says that A, B and C are first, second, third position respectively, means this position are fixed. Only D and E are variable. D and E are variable. So this variable, D and E variable, this can be rearranged in 2 permutation because there are only 2 permutation left, 2 elements left. So the total probability in the case A is equal to 2 permutation by 5 permutation. In case B, we say that A, B, C are first 3. That means here A, B, C, we don't know which one is A first, which one is second, but A, B, C are top 3. And then we have D and E. So if you see, we can arrange A, B, C into 3 permutation way. Anyone can become first. Also D and E, we can arrange this into 2 permutation way. So total favorable outcome is 3 permutation into 2 permutation. So probability of B in this case will be 3 permutation into 2 permutation divided by 5 permutation. And this comes out to be 1 by 10. And if you solve this, the first one, it comes out to be 1 by 60. So here what we have done is we have first found the total solution. Total solution was 5 permutation because there are 5 positions which we were supposed to arrange. So once we have arranged that, we have got the total position. And now based on the condition, in first condition we are saying ABC has got first, second, third position respectively. That means these are fixed. The only position we could change was D and E, that we can do in 2 permutation way. So the total probability is 2 permutation by 5 permutation. In the second case, ABC are top 3 but their position is not fixed. So we can do this in 3 permutation way. Also in the meantime, we can replace or we can arrange D and E in 2 permutation way. So the total number of ways is 3 permutation and 2 permutation. And thus the total probability in case B is 3 permutation and 2 permutation by 5 permutation. Now let's go for a quick summary. Sample space is a set of outcomes. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 die throw. Sample points, each individual points are sample points. Event is a subset. For example, when we say odd number of die throw is this. Impossible event, for example, I get 7. I should get 7 in the die throw, that is impossible events, and that is noted by 0. Sure event, 100% I get. When I say I get head or tail, that is a sure event. Because when I throw a coin, I get head or tail only. Complementary event is not in that event. For example, in this case, for odd number of die throw, the complementary will be 2, 4, 6. Because universal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Event A or B, you say union. Event A and B, you say intersection. Event A not B, you subtract. Mutually exclusive event, if 2 events for which A intersection B is 5. they are not linked. There is no common element, then it is called mutually exclusive element. P of not A is equal to 1 minus PA, and this is also interesting, that any probability is greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 1, and sum of all the probabilities is equal to. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online test, get the best quality study material, study from the best tutor and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.